أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة صدق الله العلي العظيم وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم من تشبه بقوم فهو منهم أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, respected audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I stand before you to shed light on a topic of immense significance: Islamic identity. Islamic identity is the distinctive character of a Muslim, encompassing their beliefs, practices, and moral conduct. It is not limited to outward appearance or customs, but it is deeply rooted in one's faith, thoughts, and actions. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best among you are those who have the best manners and character." Islamic identity also reflects in our social interactions. Islam teaches us to respect parents, be kind to neighbors, support the needy, and maintain justice and fairness in all dealings. The Quran beautifully emphasizes and speaks to people with kindness. In today's rapidly changing world, where materialism and cultural influences dominate, it is vital for Muslims to preserve their Islamic identity. This requires adhering to Islamic teachings in our lifestyle, language, and daily actions. It means being proud of who we are as Muslims and representing Islam with dignity and integrity. Our Islamic identity is not a burden but a blessing, a responsibility, and a means to earn Allah's pleasure. It allows us to be exemplary individuals contributing positively to society while staying true to our faith. In conclusion, I pray to Allah to grant us the strength and wisdom to uphold our Islamic identity, live by its principles, and convey its beauty to the world through our actions. Wassalam.